I'm in the process of suing my former employer. I'm taking them to the tribunal. So my question is, on 2 occasions, I recorded the conversation between myself and my line manager, and they accused me of certain things which I want to provide the recording to the employment tribunal. I just want to know if I can do that, especially the fact that my line manager at that time wasn't aware that they were getting recorded.
Okay. Is the recording clear evidence that they're not telling the truth?
Yes, correct. They were accusing me of certain things that were unfair.
Is the recording clear evidence that they're not telling the truth?
Yes, correct.
Because I've in my day job as an employment lawyer come across hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of employees who say they've got this killer covert recording. And when you actually listen to it, what you have is 45 minutes of hissing and muffled sounds and just about able to make out something that has almost no relevance whatsoever to the issues in the case.
No, mine was clear cut.
Okay, fine, good.
Like...
Yes, the answer is you can rely on it.
Okay.
It's admissible. The tribunal will essentially say, that's really naughty of you, Faisal, for recording it covertly. You shouldn't do that. But if it's relevant, we'll have it as evidence because it will help us make a decision.
Yeah, I had to because of the fact that, obviously, without that evidence, there's no evidence at that time.
Well, employers always say they have a good reason for covert recordings. They're not very nice. You wouldn't like it if your employer covertly recorded you, I'm sure. But it is admissible. What you need to do, Faisal, is send a copy of it to the other side along with a transcript. You'll need to get a transcript. And you can use an online transcription service or do it yourself and ask the other side to agree the transcript because the tribunal will not want to listen to the recording. They'll want to see an agreed transcript. And the other side will jump up and down and say this is outrageous. But if you don't do that and if you don't disclose it to them in advance, then it will be inadmissible. Not because it was a covert recording, but because it hadn't been disclosed in advance.